There's some research that 69% of people say their leader makes a bigger difference to their mental health than their doctor or their therapist, and about the same as their partner. So it's like, is it good?
It's a big number.
I know.
Wow.
Because we didn't have enough to worry about, right?
Yeah.
Good news is, like, that's a wonderful opportunity. When leaders are able to be really clear about their own voice, really clear about their own values, I think it really gives a sense of stability, really gives a sense of center of gravity, really gives a sense of backstop. The other research on this that's really cool is that we tend to trust people who are legible. We trust people that we can read. Like, if somebody's a really, really good poker player and totally Teflon and we can never read them, that's actually someone that we're less likely to trust because we're just not sure how to get a sense of them and therefore a sense of ourselves because we understand ourselves through other people. This is Tracy Brower. Tune in tomorrow for another episode of Why I Left with Brian Akar. See you there.
Visit us online at www.whyiLeft.co. That's whyiLeft.co.